Good evening, friends. Here is your comprehensive, high-density video script and write-up for today's top medical headlines. Intro and the blockbuster headline, COVID-19 wakens dormant viruses. The most critical health breakthrough today comes from a groundbreaking study published in Nature, proving that COVID-19 can officially reactivate dormant viruses hiding inside the human body. The discovery, researchers found a direct molecular link showing that both acute and long COVID infections act as a biological alarm clock for latent viral remnants. The impact: this massive finding provides a clear pathway to understanding why millions suffer from prolonged long COVID symptoms, opening the door for targetable antiviral therapies. Oncology and gene therapy breakthroughs. Merck and Moderna retake the lead in cancer vaccines. The news: the highly anticipated Phase 3 INTerpath 001 trial has officially met its primary endpoints. The cocktail, combining intismeran autogene, Moderna's mRNA cancer vaccine, with Merck's blockbuster drug Keytruda. The results: patients with completely resected stage IIB4 melanoma experienced significant improvements in both recurrence-free survival, RFS, and distant metastasis-free survival, DMFS. Ultragenyx wins historic first gene therapy approval. The drug, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has officially greenlit Ultragenyx Pharmaceuticals' new gene therapy. This marks the first ever approved gene therapy for a rare, life-threatening metabolic disorder. Market impact: shares surged following the announcement reported by Reuters Healthcare. Brand new FDA approvals changing patient care. Medication name condition treated mechanism of action status. Zenbexis, iberdomide, multiple myeloma first-in-class cereblin E3 ligase modulator, CLMOD, accelerated FDA approval. Simtrio, centanafidine, ADHD, ages 6+, first triple reuptake inhibitor, norepinephrine, dopamine, serotonin, full FDA approval. Orzifil, ovoparextin, narcolepsy type 1 orexin receptor agonist new August entry. Zenbexis sets a massive regulatory precedent by using minimal residual disease, MRD, negativity as its primary benchmark. Detailed criteria can be tracked on the FDA Novel Drugs Index. Rapid-fire science, synapses, autoimmunity, and coffee. Schizophrenia blueprint: a new study using specialized brain scans revealed that schizophrenia causes a widespread loss of neural synapses, hitting the left side of the brain uniquely hard. The female immunity switch: geneticists discovered over 1,000 genetic switches that behave differently in male versus female immune cells. This breakthrough finally explains why women are drastically more vulnerable to autoimmune disorders like lupus. The coffee bonus: a newly released Finnish study showed that heavy coffee drinkers possess less abdominal fat, higher muscle mass, and distinct hormonal advantages over non-drinkers. Check the breakdowns on Science Daily Health News. Global health alerts and policy irregularities. WHO Conflict Zone Report: marking World Humanitarian Day, the World Health Organization announced that attacks on healthcare facilities in conflict zones are averaging an alarming 4 per day in 2026, with Ukraine and Gaza bearing the highest brunt. NEET UG and FNGE counseling shifts: the Medical Counseling Committee, MCC, officially altered its timeline for Round 1 seat allotments. Concurrently, candidates of the FNGE June 2026 exam are actively protesting the National Board of Examinations, NBE, over prolonged answer key delays. Stay updated through Medical Dialogues Education. Overtraining. Working out too hard for too long can cause rhabdomyolysis, a condition in which damaged muscle tissue breaks down very fast. This dumps substances into your blood that can hurt your kidneys and make them fail. Don't overdo it. Build up your workouts gradually, don't suddenly make them more intense. If you can, avoid working out in high heat and humidity. See your doctor if you have muscle pain and dark-colored pee, WebMD. Bat exposure. Exposure to a bat without a visible bite wound, non-specific symptoms, and an initial misdiagnosis: what begins as what appears to be a herpes infection develops into fulminant encephalitis within a few days. The case published in the CMAJ of an 11-year-old boy from Canada illustrates how deceptive the course of rabies can be and why any direct contact with a bat must be medically evaluated. Medscape. Outro and audience call to action. That wraps up your global medical brief for August 20th, 2026. From standard shifting cancer vaccines to the viral mechanics behind long COVID, medicine is evolving at lightning speed. Which of these updates will change your practice layout this season? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for your time, and keep up the vital work on the front lines of patient care. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who cares about their health, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Disclaimer: compiled information. This content is for educational purposes and is not a substitute for professional advice. The audience must verify the contents before use. The creator, publisher, and YouTube will not be responsible for any harm.